Okay, so today we are going to load a file back into a tractor, combine, construction equipment, whatever you're doing, process is all the same. So you've already downloaded the file out of the tractor, you've sent it in, it's been modified, we've sent it back, you've reloaded it into your programmer. Those were parts 1 and 2 videos, this is part 3. So, plugs in diagnostic port, and this is a 420, so it's under the buddy seat. Make sure it's plugged in tight. Make sure your connector up here is tight and the screws are somewhat screwed in. If these get unhooked for some reason in the middle of the writing process, that's not good. If it gets bumped, if it falls off the seat. I've seen a lot of different things happen, so just make sure those are tight, ready to go. And automatically powers up to the main menu. So you're at work, select, you're writing, you're selecting your file. You should only have one file, so you just go through that pretty quick. Partial write, total write. Unless you're told otherwise, always do a total write. This just says connect your vehicle to a stabilized battery. They do this because they do not want the battery to go dead, or not even completely dead, just partial dead, and you have a problem writing the file. If you do have a problem writing the file partway through, that can be a problem. So if you got really good batteries, you're probably good to go. This tractor has okay batteries, not great batteries. I actually have my truck sitting over here on the other side with jumper cables hooked up to it. Just something precautionary I do just so there's never an issue. So we're going to switch on the dash. And when they say switch on, it's just forward to the run position, not start. You're not going backwards to the accessories, just forward to the run position.
Businesses across the country are being hit hard financially. And more people are finding themselves without a job and looking to the internet to help. And if you start using Google, you know they...
Okay, so now it says switch off the dash. If you've watched your first video of this looks very familiar because this is all the same. Switch on the dash. And that's basically it. Once you get to this screen, it says ECU programming. You've got your status bar down here at the bottom. This will just slowly come across as it's writing, as it's programming. You can hear beeping behind me here. Engine, that goes away. It said engine controller offline. And you will always get those, engine controller offline, because once this is hooked and programming, the A post and the rest of the tractor can no longer communicate with the ECM or ECU, whatever you want to call it, so don't worry about it. If you get error codes, just wait till you're all done, shut everything off, start it back up. Then if you have error codes, give me a call, we'll get it fixed out, get you taken care of. But in the process, it's no big deal if you get them. So as you can see, that status bar has started to go across. This can take quite a while, so we're not going to sit here and watch this whole process. And when I say quite a while, 20 to 30 minutes. I've also had some take 5 minutes. So it just depends on make, model, all that type of good stuff. So that's all there is to it. If you got any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call. Once you get past this screen, it will tell you turn the key off, hit OK. Once it gets back to that main menu, you're done. So once you're back at that main menu, it's done. Unhook it, fire the tractor up, and you're ready to go. So thank you for watching.